I'm Bob Harris, president of the Decorative Concrete Institute. We use a wide variety of different mixing paddles and mixing drills depending on the material that we're trying to mix. Now, for small batches of epoxies and polyurethanes, you can use a traditional cordless drill like this, for example, and a small mixing paddle, as you can see here, very effective for small batches, say in a 1-gallon container. You'd never use a small drill like this for mixing a cement-based product. It simply wouldn't hold up and it would burn the drill out. If you're working with cement-based products, you're going to use more of an industrial type drill. Commonly we use what we call a 1/2-inch drill. Now, if you use the 1/2-inch drill, you want a minimum RPM of about 650. 650 RPM is typical in our industry for mixing cement-based toppings. Also, we use variable speed. And so we're usually mixing a cement-based overlay or topping somewhere in the vicinity of about 650 RPMs to no more than 1,000 RPMs. Now, why would you not want to mix faster than that? Because the faster that you whip the material, it actually entraps air into the mix, and the end result could be air bubbles on your mix. Along with the drills, there's just a wide variety of mixing paddles, and we use virtually all of them. For mixing spray-down overlay systems, we'll use a drill type like this. For mixing skim coats, I really prefer this because what happens is when you're mixing skim coats, you're not mixing large batches. Typically, you're mixing about 5 gallons of material or less, so you're mixing in a 5-gallon bucket. And the nature of this paddle here, it allows the drill paddle to get into the perimeter of the bucket, as opposed to this style of mixing paddle. Typically, we use this style mixing paddle for self-leveling overlays because we're mixing much larger volumes. And generally, we're mixing 2 buckets or 2 bags of material in a 30-gallon mixing drum. The mixing drum has a contour that has a shape to it very similar to this. So what happens is this mixing paddle, because of the contour, it allows this type of paddle to follow the contour of the mixing bucket. So this is very effective for that type of mixing. As you can see, there's a wide variety of not only mixing drills, but mixing paddles as well. Do your homework, and more importantly, check with your manufacturer of the system that you're about to install. Chances are they'll recommend not only the type of drill and the RPM of drill, but the best used mixing paddle. Remember, to get the most out of your tools, use them properly, and more importantly, use them safely. I'm Bob Harris.